What up, Speed Doc Nation? It's your boy, Dr. X. I am sitting in the 2021 Lincoln Aviator Grand Touring Edition. So this is the top of the line joint. It's got the highest horsepower out of all the Aviator. You know, Lincoln has really stepped up that game in the past few years since they dropped the new Navigator back in 2018. And then they followed suit with the Aviator, giving it the whole redesign. And it's been super clean ever since, man. Lincoln's been doing their job, staying on it. Plenty of room in this joint. It's another Money Talk Monday, so we're gonna hit you with a little bit of knowledge. So, y'all know these stimulus checks are coming. Some of y'all might have already got the stimulus check. So some of y'all got stimulus checks on the way. I'm gonna put y'all up on game, give you 3 good tips, some top level things you could be doing with that stimulus check money. Now, of course, if you got unpaid bills, you behind on rent or whatever, you need this for daily living expenses, then definitely, use the money for the daily living expenses. Food and shelter are a priority. But if all that's taken care of and you don't know what to do with this $1,400, $2,800, whatever amount of money you got coming from Uncle Sam, I'm gonna give you 3 tips on ways you can make that money work for you. So number 1 thing you can do with the money is invest in yourself. If you got a small business, planning a small business, if you got a side hustle that you want to grow, put that money into the side hustle and let that money work for you. You grow up working for the money. When you get enough of the money, you flip it, you get the money to work for you. So definitely investing in yourself is number 1. You can do that. That money's going to work for you. It's going to multiply. Number 2, second best thing you can do is pay off high interest rate debts. So if you've got some credit card debt in the double digits or some other type of debt that's in the double digits, put some of that money toward that. Right now you can't invest and earn double-digit returns in many things, but if you can pay down that double-digit interest rate debt, then you are, you're going to be doing a lot of good toward your financial outlook. Another really good thing you can do with the money is invest in something that's going to grow. So you can put the money into, some type of cryptocurrency purchase, or some good stock, or even a mutual fund that's diversified. Put the money into something that's going to grow, so that money grows and then it's working for you and working for your future. Aside from that, saving money, setting aside for a rainy day is always a good idea. Let that be your plan B. Definitely optimal to have 6 months worth of living expenses saved away in case some type of disaster happens. For those of you that have disability insurance, if you have that Geico or you have a disability insurance policy through your employer, most of those policies don't kick in until 180 days after the date of injury. So even if you get hurt and you file quickly, you may not see any money coming for up to 6 months. Even though you got the disability insurance to protect yourself, you still got to have that reserve in the bank or somewhere to cover your living expenses until that disability kicks in. So comment below, let me know what else you guys want to hear about, so we can put y'all up on game. Until then, peace.